Hello everyone, and welcome back to my little kitchen. Sometimes, people ask me, why do I spend so much time bustling about in the kitchen, always exploring one recipe after another? Actually, the reason is quite simple, but it means the world to me. I just want to see the bright, relaxed smiles of my family after a long, exhausting day. You know, the outside world can be so demanding. The adults are drained from work, from social obligations, and the endless rush of life. And the little ones, they have their own stresses with studies and growing up. Outside that door, there might be so many storms, worries, and chaos. But the moment we step inside and close that door behind us, I want all of that weight to drop. When we sit down at the dining table, I want time to slow down. Home is the warmest place. It's where we can truly be ourselves, safe, accepted, and completely at peace. For me, cooking isn't a chore. It's a gentle form of healing. As I stand here, washing these fresh green leaves, I feel my own mind being washed clean of the day's worries. Listening to the gentle sound of water running, the soft bubbling of the pot, it's like a quiet melody that calms the soul. Today, I'm preparing a lemon-shredded chicken salad. As I boil the chicken breast, I like to add a few slices of fresh lemon and some crushed shallots. The aroma that slowly fills the kitchen is just incredible. It's light, citrusy, and it instantly lifts the mood in the whole house. A vibrantly colorful plate of salad isn't just beautiful to look at. It wraps up so much care and gentle nutrition for the people I love. I always believe that food is medicine. The chicken breast provides an abundant source of lean protein. It helps the whole family recover their physical strength and recharge their energy without leaving that heavy, sleepy feeling you get from greasy foods. And look at these vegetables: crisp romaine lettuce, juicy cherry tomatoes, crunchy mini cucumbers. Tossed in a homemade lemon vinaigrette, they are packed with vitamin C and powerful antioxidants. Making a habit of eating plenty of fresh salads helps our digestive system run so smoothly. It detoxifies the body, keeps our skin glowing, and builds a strong immune system, protecting the ones we love from the inside out. When I shred the cooled chicken and mix it with that golden, glossy olive oil dressing, the magic really happens. A touch of Dijon mustard, a hint of honey, the sharp, bright zest of a lemon, they all blend together in perfect harmony. Every single bite is a burst of flavor. It's sweet, sour, savory, and incredibly refreshing. Enjoying this dish is like a refreshing therapy. It relieves stress, gently soothing and healing the body from deep within. When I finally bring this large, beautiful bowl to the table, the room just lights up. Watching my family serve each other food, seeing them pass the plates, laughing and chatting happily as we eat, it is the greatest reward. In those moments, all my exhaustion just melts away. I realize that happiness isn't about grand things. It's found right here, in a shared meal, in the clinking of forks, and the warmth of being together. I often wonder, what about you? What does a family meal mean to you in your daily life? After a long day, what is the dish that brings you comfort? Please, leave a comment and share it with me. It doesn't have to be just about cooking, you know. Any happy or sad stories from your day, any burdens you need to let go of, I truly want to listen. Consider this comment section a safe little corner for us to rest. Here, we don't just share recipes, we share empathy, understanding, and connection. Thank you, from the bottom of my heart, for always being here, for loving, and for accompanying this little kitchen of mine. Whenever you feel tired, you can always come back here. I wish you and your loved ones a very warm, peaceful, and delicious meal. See you in the next video.